Hi, I'm Justin. I'm currently a white kid in Canada learning Mandarin. Yeah. I started learning around 3 or 4 months ago, and I pretty much used every single app out there. They're all good in their own respects. However, Domino Chinese, I think that they teach characters in like a really unique way and better than any other. I didn't go into Chinese looking to know how to understand characters, but that kind of happened inadvertently, and I started panicking because I was like, I know what that means. And I wasn't really trying to learn how to actually read and write. I just wanted to be conversational so I could speak with people. But that's probably one of the coolest aspects that Domino has brought to me. And another thing that happened actually pretty recently was I was in a supermarket and I accidentally convinced some native speaking Chinese guy that I was also a native speaker. And that was pretty cool. Mind you, it was accidental. I didn't lie or do anything like bad to do it, but I mean, yeah, that was really cool.